Hi there, I'm Ray. Welcome to Ray's Toolbox. We have a project for the summertime. I have an old camper. Used to be a mobile office for somebody. I'm going to see if I can convert this thing back over to a camper and see if we can make it look nice at the same time. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel yet, go ahead and hit that button and we'll see what kind of little projects we can find in this thing. We'll see you in just a bit.
You can tell by the pictures this has been sitting around for a couple of years. So some dishwashing liquid and hot soapy water, and didn't take too much elbow grease. This came right off. Looks pretty nice after I got it cleaned up. The next step was to take the paneling off on the inside. I took a marker and marked the paneling on the inside before I took it off. That way if I needed a pattern when it comes time to replace it, I know where the pieces go and I can get that marked. The paneling they used was a masonite type product, kind of a compressed cardboard on the back. It kind of wanted to rip apart, so I had to take some time to get the pieces out in one piece. There was insulation board cut to size in all of the compartments between the studs. It popped right out. The linoleum on the floor was fastened to a 1/4-inch piece of plywood. It came up fairly easy, a little bit of prying with some crowbars, and it came up in 2 pieces actually is what they had laid down on the floor.
So most of the camper has been cleaned off. All the mold has been washed out of the outside. The window that you see here, along with the matching one on the other side, does not have a window in them. The previous owners had taken them out to make something for the business that they had. So we have a couple of windows we have to deal with. Everything else has been taken down to the studs. So we are ready to go with that. We need to do something with this window. I'm not sure if I'm going to put an air conditioner back in or just what. We do have the old marker lights on the outside we have to do something with, along with whatever we decide to do on the floor. So this is the bare bones we're going to start with. We're going to do something with the skylight as well. So I think we're going to block that off just because I don't think we really need the skylight in the camper anymore, or the vent, I guess it is. Kind of a combo thing. So anyway, we're going to get started and see what we can come up with. Stick around.
Remember to hit that bell. That way you'll be notified when the next piece of this project gets finished. Thanks for watching.